What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Glad to see you guys again. Today's video is going to be a little different, something that we haven't done on the channel yet. Today is going to be a pressure washing day. We are headed to go pressure wash patio. We're going to pressure wash a patio today to make some quick money. You guys know I'm all about that quick money and some extra income for my family. So we have to get the power washer on the truck. I have everything pretty much set up and ready to go. So we got the Honda power washer right here. We got our surface cleaner along with our long wand here. We got our MJJC foam cannon and our patio pressure wash soap as well. But first off, before we get the pressure washer going, we got to get off the landscaping equipment. So you guys know, been landscaping now. The season has started for the 2023 lawn care season. Got the badges on the truck here, still rolling strong, little AK-47. Appreciate all my subscribers and my IG followers. So we have to go ahead and get the mower off of here and the landscaping stuff off of here, and then swap it out with the pressure washing stuff. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, guys, let's go check out the truck, make sure we got everything we need. So we got our MJJC foam cannon right here, all hooked up. The soap we're going to be using today, guys, is Zeps all-in-one premium pressure wash. This is good for patios. We'll go by the directions for that. We have our surface cleaner right here, our ramps to get our pressure washer down, our pressure washer itself. We got a blower to blow off the patio in case we got any leaves or debris on the patio. So this is the first step we're going to be doing, is blowing off the patio, prepping our surface. Got an extra hose in case we need the length. We got our scrub brush right here, and we have our regular garden hose to hook up to water. So pretty sure that's everything we need right there to get going on this pressure washing job. So I will see you guys over there to make some quick money. Okay, guys, we made it to the patio. Here is the patio and what it looks like. So this is the before. We're going to start off with giving it a quick broom and then a blow off, and then we will get into soaping it down, scrubbing it, and then the final pass with the water pressure of the DeWalt surface cleaner. So I got everything set up pretty much right here. We got our hose set up, we got our pressure washer set up, our soap is in our MJJC foam cannon like I showed you guys before. Again, you guys have seen this before on the channel. I use this to foam up all the vehicles that are on the channel, but the soap we're using today for this patio is the Zeps all-in-one premium pressure washer fluid here. This is good for patios. We will be following the directions on this almost to the T, but as I just said, we are using the foam cannon to apply the soap and then using a broom to agitate it just a little bit. We don't want this to dry, as it says in the directions, don't allow it to dry. Wait about 5 minutes for it to penetrate and do its thing, and then rinse it off. So that's what we're going to be doing here right now. Got our Echo
PB9010, awesome blower that I use for landscaping. Absolutely love this thing. I would buy 10 of them if I had the money to do so, but I just have 2 for right now. So this is the one I use for pressure washing. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right guys, we just got done with the brooming. So we broomed everything off, the whole entire area, and then we came in lastly and got in all of the grooves. So that's something that you definitely want to do. I am by no means a absolute professional with pressure washing, but I definitely know the less dirt you have on the surface, the cleaner the surface will be when you are done. So now we have to blow off any of the dust and debris that we picked up with cleaning out those cracks. So let's go ahead and start our blower here. And now for the fun part, foaming up the patio. So we have our SGS 35 pressure washer gun here. Let's hook that up with our quick connect. Boom, that's on. Again, we have our soap in our MJJC foam cannon. Let's get our pressure washer started here. Make sure our water's going. Okay, we're all soaped down, giving it about 5 to 6 minutes here. I'm going to do a little bit of agitation and then we will go in with our surface cleaner. All right, we're scrubbed down, so let's see what our surface cleaner can do now. It's surface cleaner time, baby. attached here. This is a DeWalt surface cleaner. I got this from Home Depot. You guys can find surface cleaners at Lowe's, Home Depot, any pressure washer, brick and mortar store, even though those are kind of rare to find. But everything that I'm using today, guys, will be linked in the description. Check that out. It's a big difference from this to that. guys, we are done here. This is the wet look. I cleaned out some more of the cracks off camera here with the pressure of the 15-degree nozzle. So those are all cleaned out. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but those are pretty clean right there. That's like you clean your shower or your toilet and trying to get it really, really sparkling clean right there, or car wash clean. This dark stuff over here, guys, I'm not sure exactly what this stuff is. I don't know if it's just like the coloring of this patio just coming off and the actual color of the stone that this was just colored with to get this color of patio stone. But all the grooves are cleaned out of all the dirt and all this algae that you guys saw me brooming to get off quickly there in the broom process. That is all gone and off. And then I came back with another the 40-degree nozzle and hit this edge here of what the surface cleaner couldn't get up to with the house. So came back and did that, and then I went over this twice with the surface cleaner, and it came out pretty good, guys. I'll see if I can leave a before and after picture up for you guys. So now I'm just going to give this a quick blow of all the small little puddles that are inside the grooves, and then we will call this one a day, guys. Quick $100, nice quick.